My favorite DIY is whatever I happen to be working on at the moment. But the ones that I'm most proud of are the total room makeovers. We bought our house about 10 years ago, and we have literally redone every inch of the space. It gives me a chance to work with my husband and put both of our sets of skills to work. They take anywhere from a few hours to several months, depending on what we're working on. I can do a quick front door DIY wreath in an hour or two, or a bigger project like a home makeover will take much longer than we ever planned. I get my ideas pretty much anywhere. If I see something that inspires me, I try to recreate it. Pinterest, of course, is a good source of information. Or just simply walking through the craft store, I can see something and try to figure out a way to turn it into something else.